Hello, pet lovers! Today, join me in a fun and creative adventure of making homemade toys for your furry friends. Get ready to add a personal touch to playtime for your pets. Let's dive into the world of DIY pet toys. Step 1. The classic catnip toy for cats. Our journey begins with a classic favorite for our feline friends, a catnip toy. For this, you'll need fabric scraps, catnip. Cut the fabric into small squares, fill them with catnip, and sew them up. Your cat will be entertained for hours, and the catnip will add an extra layer of excitement to playtime. Step 2. The crunchy sock ball for dogs. Now, let's switch gears and create a simple yet satisfying toy for our canine companions, a crunchy sock ball. For this, you'll need an old sock, a plastic water bottle. Place the plastic water bottle inside the sock and tie a knot at the end. The crinkly sound will grab your dog's attention, making it a delightful chew and fetch toy. Step 3. The interactive puzzle toy for birds. For our feathered friends, let's craft an interactive puzzle toy. For this, you'll need a small cardboard box, paper strips, bird treats or seeds. Cut small holes in the box, weave paper strips through them, and place treats inside. This engages your bird's natural foraging instincts, making playtime both mentally stimulating and rewarding. Step 4. The jingly ribbon wand for small animals. Small animals love to play too. Let's create a jingly ribbon wand for our little friends. For this, you'll need a wooden dowel or stick, colorful ribbons, small jingle bells. Tie the ribbons and bells to the dowel, creating an enticing wand for your small pet to chase and explore. Step 5. The t-shirt tug toy for dogs. For our canine pals who love a good game of tug-of-war, let's repurpose an old t-shirt into a sturdy tug toy. For this, you'll need an old t-shirt, scissors. Cut the t-shirt into strips, tie them together, and braid them into a tug toy. It's not only a great way to recycle old clothes but also a durable toy for your dog's playtime enjoyment. Step 6. The feathered fishing pole for cats. Cats adore anything that resembles prey. Let's create a feathered fishing pole for interactive play. For this, you'll need a wooden dowel or stick, string, feathers or feathered toys. Attach the feathers to the string and tie it to the dowel. Wiggle the prey around for your cat to pounce and bat, providing endless entertainment. Step 7. The litter bottle rattle for small animals. Lastly, for our small friends who enjoy the sound of a good rattle, let's make a simple and stimulating litter bottle rattle. For this, you'll need an empty plastic bottle, a handful of dry rice or small pebbles. Place the rice or pebbles inside the plastic bottle, secure the cap, and let your small pet roll and play with the enticing sound. And there you have it. Homemade toys that will bring joy and enrichment to your pets. Whether they're chasing feathers, chewing on a sock ball, or foraging for treats, these DIY creations add a personal touch to playtime. Enjoy the smiles and tail wags as your pets indulge in these handmade delights. If you had fun crafting pet toys with me today, stay tuned for more delightful DIY projects and playful adventures for you and your pets. Until next time, may your days be filled with wagging tails and purring companionship.